Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm here with April and Harold today, who had just had their floors done by Express Flooring. How you guys doing today?
Good.
Good. So tell me, how was your guys' experience with your design consultant who came into your home?
With what?
Your design consultant who came into your home?
Good.
Oh, great. And then how were you guys' installers who came in?
Very, very hard. That the head one, young man,
Mm-hmm.
and he worked really, really hard, and it was not an easy job. Very polite, and
Great.
you know,
Yeah, and I see your floors turned out really, really nice. Really, really nice. And then how was your guys' overall experience with Express Flooring?
for the most part, it's good. We're unhappy with one.
Yeah, and we'll make
There's a
sure we
couple
get
little
that.
places,
Yeah.
nothing, but this is the one that kind of shows.
Yeah, we'll make sure we get that taken care of for you as well. And then would you guys refer your friends and family to Express Flooring?
Uh,
Our,
yeah,
our
Yeah.
son had some, he's had some
Oh, great.
similar to this.
Uh-huh.
years ago.
That's why we
Went with
really
Express?
went with this because we liked his real well.
Yeah, and again, like I said, it turned out really, really nice. Well, thank you guys so much for all of your inputs, and you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.